Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com. And how are you guys? Kumusta na? So we're gonna doing a very super quick unboxing of one of our gadgets that we just got. If you watched the video the other day, I mentioned that we ordered a Torque DQ600 TV. It's only 449 pesos on Shopee, no? So, a couple of people have been messaging me why don't we have any of those not so smartphones on the channel. So yeah, so we ordered this, we bought this. It's a dual SIM, dual standby, full QWERTY keyboard, touchpad, easy navigation, free to air mobile TV, quad band, 2-inch 262K color QVGA LCD 320 by 240. Okay, 1.3 ang camera niya. May Bluetooth, may radio, may office viewer, and my micro SD that can be up to 2 GB lang. Okay? And it's supposed to have a metal frame. Okay? So, if you want to have a phone that you can watch TV with, kung nanonood ka, ano mga palabas ngayon sa TV. Sorry, I don't watch TV anymore. Except for news sometimes, pero kahit yung news, usually I get it online already. Ang probinsyano, if you want to watch ang probinsyano. So we ordered tinamaan yung map. Okay, we ordered the yellow phone, so it comes with the phone. It's a small, really small phone. Okay. There's the battery. Comes with the headset. Okay, the battery. The charger is not the usual micro USB, no? It's the 4-port, yung nauna. Okay? And there's the wall mount, okay? So we're gonna turn it on by putting the battery muna. Okay, sorry about that. Someone's messaging me. Okay. So, yan. Wala tayong SIM card nilalagay. The SIM card is there. See, up. Tinama ko na naman. See? There, and I assume this is the okay, yeah, tama. So you put the two SIM cards here and micro SD card here. But we don't have a micro SD card that we can put because I don't have anything that is only 2 GB. Okay, so apparently it can only support 2 GB. So we have a smart SIM here. Okay. So we're gonna put it in. I assume, since I did not read the manual, I assume this would be using a micro. Okay. So using a micro SIM slot. Okay, not nano. So put that in. Okay. So slide in lang siya. Okay. Now where's the power? I assume one of these two is the power. Kasi nagbabasa ng manual eh. Okay, so it turned on. So as you can see, it's already on. Mauubusan na daw ng space yung phone. Okay, so insert SIM. I already inserted the SIM. Okay. So, yeah, may audio player back. I don't know how to use this anymore. Menu. May antenna siya sa likod. Okay. You can bend. Okay, so we're gonna find the TV now. So, that's the point. It's a TV phone. I don't know how to use this. Okay. Paano ba to? The middle one is for... Looks like I put the SIM wrong. Okay. So you can touch sensitive yung gitna parang mouse. Okay, I don't know where the TV is. It doesn't show. So naputol. Okay. keeps on telling me to say insert SIM card, Java games, multimedia. So there, the TV is in the multimedia, so we're turning it on. I think you need to do the TV setup. Okay. Okay. Search. We're searching for TV signals. Okay, so yan. We also do have another TV phone somewhere here in my drawer. Still recording now. So, I think this is the one. Okay. It's also from Torque, which is a bigger screen. Okay. So as you can see, yan, there's volleyball. Okay. So, ayan, here's the other phone which is dead, about to die. Super lobat na siya, no? It's also from Torque. This also has a TV. Meron na akong isa pang dating ganito. I gave it to my friend Rafi. But unfortunately, Rafi's dead. I don't know what the phone is. Yeah, LSK.
Reaction doon, di mo kita, but then it was clear there were 4 touches at the class. Kaya hindi siya sure kung kukunin pa niya. 6-5 na, umabot dito ang Lady Warriors, 3 straight points. There's a Mira Mendoza, Andrew Chiticar, Negia, gets it through, Semana, will set up Yoko for this hit. Last touch,
So I don't know how to unlock this phone. So pinakita nyo, ayan, malakas yung sound, diba? Okay. I also do not know how to lower the volume. Yan ang napapala ng gumagamit na. I honestly don't know anymore how to use. So yan yung so that's it. That's our quick unboxing for the TV phone from Torque. So if you just want to have a phone that you can watch TV on, medyo maliit nga lang siya, you can try and go buy this online. It's from Torque. It's a DQ600 TV. Thanks guys. Bye.